Hi, I'm Amy from Arnold Clark, and I'm here to show you the new Kia Picanto. With an all-new sporty design incorporating the iconic Kia Tiger nose grille, LED technology and the personalisation of 11 different paint options, the Picanto looks good, drives well and is perfectly suited to the city environment. Across the Picanto range you will find 5 different wheel options, LED daytime running lights and electrically adjustable heated door mirrors with LED indicators and folding function on the top model. Kia haven't forgotten about safety, with a number of features fitted as standard across the range. Opting for the 2 model introduces speed sensing auto door locking, while the 3 and GT models include autonomous emergency braking for that added peace of mind. The sporty exterior of the Picanto is matched by its newly updated interior. The higher dashboard allows for more space and greater comfort even for taller passengers. The electric sunroof on the GTS adds more light to an already bright cabin, while the seats can be upholstered in anything from black cloth to faux leather with added heating function. Packed with technology, in all Picantos a trip computer will allow you to keep track of your journey and driving habits. Moving up the range, you will be treated to a wireless phone charger, a heated leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel, and a 7-inch colour touchscreen display for the reversing camera, satellite navigation, and a DAB radio with Bluetooth connectivity for music streaming, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Unusual for a city car, the Picanto is available with 3 rear seats, meaning there's more space for friends. Luxury is added as you move through the range with the inclusion of privacy glass, electric windows and a seat-back storage pocket. Disguised by its compact exterior, the Picanto's class-leading boot capacity may surprise you with more than enough room to carry the weekly shop. Folding down the 60-40 split rear seats increases this size further still. The GTS model also includes a dual-height boot floor, allowing you to store valuables out of sight. In addition to this, every Picanto comes with Kia's 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, making it one of the most attractive and reliable models on the road. But the best way to rate the Picanto is to drive it yourself. So if you would like to book a test drive, click Inquire Now at arnoldclark.com.